Hey, sweet. This is Claire and Rick's Bike Wide, May 8th, 2016.
Okay, you ready?
Yes?
Am I following you?
No, go ahead and ride.
I don't know what way you want to go.
You know about where I normally ride.
Okay.
And remember, this records everything you say. Just think, I've been married to that woman for 48 years. Not too bad. She still trips my trigger. Beautiful day to ride. I guess I'll have to next time I'll have to reduce this down, the quality of it down to DVD quality so we can record it and play it on the TV. Otherwise, I can't play it unless you got a Blu-ray. Yeah, we'll have to put some music on this, like Chariots of Fire. Or Sock It To Me, baby. Another thing, Mother's Day, 2016, May 8th. Make a left turn, dear. You're the star of this movie. Well, it'll pick up the wide angle. It'll pick up a lot. Nah, I've been watching where I'm going, basically. No, I want to sit out here and get run over. I know you're trying to do away with me for the insurance money. Fantastic when I flew the airplanes. I don't think they had them out then. This all came to be in the last 10-15 years. Yeah, I know. Dead skunk in the middle of the road. It's a bag. Hey, that's what's picking up. I know. Somebody dropped that out of their car is what they did. Yep. Now next time I'll reduce this down to video quality, and then it'll record a lot longer, and you'll be able to put that right on DVD and play on the TV. A high def we can't play, we don't have a Blu-ray. But this would be really high def. No. Yeah. Might as well go for a good bike ride today. You're going to earn your Cheerios when you buck that window. That's going back west. Right now it's in your back. Yeah. Get over there. Yeah? Well, I liked it better when it was our house. I don't like that. Yeah, it's pretty nice actually. First home we ever owned. Now we own two of them. We've owned two of them. It's a great life if you don't weaken. I said wait till you go back. Bye. And we can catch everybody running us off the road today. Here, Mr. Officer, look! Of course, you can catch you running all them stop signs, too. Yeah, he did. Go. I'm ready. Drove his truck to the truck stop. Might have had to haul something out of there. Possibly could have been a pike, but I think it was a bass. Beautiful day. No. No, I'm riding, not looking at the ponds. You got more trailers. Must be his. Probably when he's running for himself. Keep going. Right turn up here. Left turn on the street. Sorry, getting noise. Did what?
They got new door. The whole inside's all different. I mean, they remodeled it and now they're selling it. What they're asking. So I haven't seen that in paper. But I forget what they're asking.
There you go, John. There's a house for you.
There used to be two. See, Benny rented the upstairs, but I don't know whether they converted it back to one whole house or not. I don't know.
Probably buy that pretty cheap, I'll bet.
I think it was 65.
Oh, that's too much.
But I'm not sure. I'm not
That's
sure.
way too much money
See,
for
I've
that.
seen that in the paper.
Middle Point and all.
Well, I don't know.
Good luck.
But that's what I'm saying. I don't know whether that is two. If it's two, then you can rent out the one half. I don't know. I don't know.
Let's go.
I'm ready when you are. I'll follow you.
That's these guys do that kind of crap, try to make a gold mine on it.
Well, no, they're just trying to make money. I mean, they seem like pretty
Well, yeah, I try to make money, yeah.
They seem like pretty nice guys.
It don't matter. Yeah, pretty nice guys got high ambition.
Well, yeah, they're...
You gotta go left right here. Farthest right for me today. I'm starting to feel it now. Back there's where I met you first time in 50 years. What's the first time I met you? 50 years ago. 50 years ago this July. I bet I could probably reduce the quality of this. Put it on video. There's a pretty Norwegian sentinel, just like it's in our front yard. Except that wind ain't laid that over.
Yeah, and I think there's a way to straighten that.
Huh?
I think there's a way to straighten that. Somebody said put a
You got a big enough post. But you're going to have one of them nylon straps that don't cut it too.
Whatever. That's why they said something to go cut the tree.
It'd take a year.
Yeah.
hate to mess with that because at least it's living. A lot of people,
But I'm going to ask Finding Nursery about
a lot of people don't live.
I know.
That's Mom's tree.
Nice.
I did good riding today, for me. You know what? I did good riding today for me.
Yeah, I know. All the way around town.
I was going to go out, but I couldn't hack that wind and bucking it.
Yeah.
That'll be next week. We went at a pretty fast pace.
Now look at my place and show them how good my porch looks. I worked on so hard.
Well, get rid of the dandelions.
And my flowers, yeah, except for the dandelions.
If I could have sprayed this year, that would have looked fantastic.
Yeah.
You don't need to spray when you can't breathe. Okay. Got to turn this camera off.
Huh?
Got to turn the camera off.
Okay. I'm going to get the mail.
Okay, turn it off.